Hello everyone. Today is day 92 of me recording videos. Still 8 more days for me hitting a milestone of 100. It's been a nice journey. Today I have a little hot topic to speak because my laptop got repaired and I gave it to the service center for the repair. I have spoken about this topic last week. I have made a video, and if you want to check out, I'm happy. About the laptop, I had given them on Saturday, and the problem was regarding the keyboard. It was not working. It was working a day before the exam, and when I closed it, opened on the next day, the keyboard was not working, and so I had to continue with my studies because I couldn't waste any time. And after the exam, I checked everything, whatever I could do, and I couldn't rectify the problem. So last week on Saturday, I guess. Saturday, not Saturday, I guess on Friday, I went to the nearest showroom and I showed them my laptop, and they told me that might be a problem with the software, or you have to change the keyboard for your own benefit. Transfer the data and then come to us. That means go to them. I thought instead of going to the showroom, better for me to go to the service center. So I went to the service station. I showed them. They told me that we don't know the problem right now. So give the laptop, and I applied the form and I gave the laptop. And it was Saturday, and yesterday the service center guy called me and asked me that the laptop is not getting rectifying corrected, and there might be a issue with the keyboard. So he asked my permission to change the keyboard. So I told yes, continue with the repair, and tell me. And they told me that it will cost around 8,000, 8K. And I told there is no other option. Okay, fine. And today morning at 11, they called again, and they are telling me that it's not the problem is not with the keyboard. Instead, the problem is with the motherboard. I was like, wow, no way. For keyboard itself, it costed around 8K. Now, what about the motherboard? So I asked him how much it might cost, and he told me it cost 88K. And I was stunned, and he gave me another option, that me giving them the original motherboard, and with replacing with the newer one, and it may the cost will come down to 40K. I don't want to take gambling. I don't want to gamble with this because if he changes the motherboard and the problem did not rectify, I have to pay more to rectify it, or I should take back the laptop, and laptop is waste. So I asked him whether the keyboard is working. Not sorry, except from the keyboard, everything is working. He told me that yes. and I told him to put the fit the old keyboard, and he said yes. Then come and collect the laptop. So it was 11 o'clock, and I was in a break. I was in college, and I thought I will go to the service center. So I left. While leaving near the gate of the college, Sangmesh was coming. I told him that I have this problem, and he told he too will come. So we both traveled, went to the service center, asked them. They made us wait 45 to 50 minutes, more than an hour. And then the guy, he had to replace the newer keyboard with the older one, so it took time. Then he came with the laptop, and he gave us our laptop, and we spoke with him. He told us that the problem is with the motherboard, and the problem is with the keyboard connection with the motherboard. That is the problem. It might cost. It might have caused because of power supply difference, or when we charge the laptop, if we keep on, and when the power goes and comes back, there will be a difference in power. It might have caused a problem. I don't know. It's just keyboard right now. I don't know whether it will spread all around, and it might cost me a laptop. It costed around costed around 1 lakh 30K for that laptop, and it's been only a year and more than year and off, of a month, and the warranty got lost last month. Now it's with the thing, and I don't know whether the warranty covers the motherboard issue. That's the mystery. I didn't even ask the service center because it was not necessary for me to ask. That's it about my laptop. Now I have to buy a new keyboard, and I have to use it. The problem is that I have to carry that keyboard everywhere, wherever I go. It happens. Let's see what we can do. That's it. Thank you guys for watching so far. Thank you.